Hello, Karibu Tena, Tosmart Logistics Solutions. Today, we dive into the world of trucks and answer a big question. Why are Kenyans preferring Howo trucks over other brands? Let's break it down. 1. Durability and performance. Kenyans love Howo trucks because they are built tough. From Nairobi to the rough terrains of rural Kenya, Howo trucks handle it all. Heavy-duty suspension, strong frames, and reliable engines make them perfect for our challenging roads. 2. Fuel efficiency. Fuel prices are always fluctuating, and saving money is key for businesses. Howo trucks are known for their fuel-efficient engines, giving owners the power they need without consuming too much diesel. A smart choice for long hauls and heavy loads. 3. Local assembly and supported. Howo trucks are assembled right here in Kenya. This means spare parts are easy to find and maintenance is quick. No long waits or high costs for repairs. Plus, buying locally assembled trucks supports our economy. 4. Market dominance. Sonatrach, the maker of Howo trucks, holds more than 60% of the heavy-duty truck market in Kenya. That's not by chance. Their reputation for reliability and quality keeps them ahead of the competition. 5. Versatility in applications from construction to mining and even long-distance transport. Howo trucks can do it all. Their versatility makes them the go-to choice for many Kenyan businesses. So there you have it. Key: durability, fuel efficiency, local support, market dominance, and versatility are why Kenyans trust Howo trucks. What are your thoughts on Howo trucks? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content from your channel name. Until next time, stay safe and keep moving forward. Subscribe now, watch next video, follow us on social media.